Good morning, viewers. It's Wednesday morning, February 12th, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money's Business News, where we provide you the latest and updated 5-minute stock market wrap. But before we roll on, please do subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you. And now, let's roll. Investors considered the latest on tariffs, monetary policy, and corporate earnings on Tuesday and decided the S&P 500 was already priced just about right. The broad US stock index added just 0.03% to end the session at 6,068 points, in its smallest daily advance since November last year. The Nasdaq declined 0.36% to 19,643, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.28% to 44,593 points. Of the 11 S&P 500 sector indexes, 8 rose, led by consumer staples. Major indexes started the day lower after President Trump signed off on a 25% tariffs on imports of steel and aluminum to the US. Stocks pared their losses after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell told in his opening remarks at a Senate Banking Committee hearing that the US central bank is in no rush to cut its short term interest rate, again, given the economy is strong overall with low unemployment and inflation still above the Fed's 2% target. Powell's Senate testimony is the first of 2 days of hearings on Capitol Hill. He is set to speak to the House Financial Services Committee on Wednesday. January Consumer Price Index data is scheduled to be released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time on Wednesday before Powell's appearance. A widespread view that the Fed will hold rates steady at its March meeting grew even more uniform on Tuesday. The market's expectation that rates will remain unchanged in May also strengthened. Meanwhile, earnings season rolled on with Coca-Cola, S&P Global, and DuPont unveiling results that beat Wall Street expectations. Coca-Cola advanced 4.7% after the beverage maker beat fourth quarter revenue estimates, helped by higher prices and resilient demand for its sodas and juices. S&P shares advanced 4.9%. DuPont de Nemours jumped almost 7% after the industrial materials maker raised its 2025 profit forecast on strong demand for electronics. Tesla tumbled 6.3% a day after Reuters and others reported a consortium led by CEO Elon Musk offered $97 billion to buy the nonprofit that controls artificial intelligence startup OpenAI. Apple climbed 2.2% after it was reported Apple was partnering with Alibaba to develop and roll out artificial intelligence features for iPhone users in China. Nvidia and Alphabet declined, but Meta Platforms Incorporated climbed for a 17th consecutive day. Phillips 66 rose 4.7% after activist Elliott Investment Management said it had built a stake of more than $2.5 billion in the oil refiner. Water technology firm Ecolab rallied 6.2% after the company forecast higher than expected adjusted profit for 2025. Fidelity National Information Services sank over 11% after the banking and payments processing conglomerate forecast first quarter profit below estimates. Elsewhere, the yield on the benchmark 10-year US Treasury note rose for a fourth consecutive trading day, settling at 4.536% from 4.492% on Monday. Gold slipped 0.1% from its Monday record to end at $2,912 a troy ounce. The precious metal, a perceived safe haven, is up 11% this year. Brent crude gained 1.5% to $77 a barrel, rallying for a third session in a row. Bitcoin fell 2.2% to $95,268. Investors are looking ahead to new consumer inflation data on Wednesday and producer price figures on Thursday. That's it for today, folks. I will see you again tomorrow morning. Happy investing. Stay inspired. And remember, it is all about money.